Do egg whites help hair? Some natural beauty experts tout egg yolks for helping to keep hair moistured and soft. But there may also be benefits to applying egg whites to the hair. Egg whites are the more liquid portion of the egg that does not include the egg yolk. Egg whites are high in protein, as well as vitamins, such as niacin and riboflavin. These nutrients all play a role in hair growth and renewal. Similarly to egg yolks, there is not a lot of research about the beauty benefits of egg whites. However, some people use egg whites as a clarifier for hair, suggesting that the egg whites contain enzymes that could remove excess buildup on the hair. Egg whites are usually recommended to treat oily hair. Here is one step-by-step method for using egg whites to treat hair. Take half a cup of egg whites and apply to clean, damp hair. Leave on for 20 minutes. Later, rinse the hair with cool water to remove the mixture. Finally, shampoo hair as normal. Some people will use the whole egg in a hair treatment. This can provide both moisturizing and oil-removing benefits to a person's hair. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.